Hello everyone. Let's dive into the glorious GMMK 3He, a keyboard that's making waves with its Hall effect sensors and a host of impressive features. Glorious PC Gaming Race is aiming for peak performance with this one, and on paper, it certainly looks promising. The GMMK 3He boasts some serious gaming credentials. We're talking rapid trigger technology, an 8,000 Hz polling rate, customizable actuation points, and what Glorious calls 4:1 dynamic keystroke. All of this translates to incredibly fast response times, potentially giving you a competitive edge in your favorite games. The 8,000 Hz polling rate is particularly noteworthy, reporting your keyboard inputs up to 8 times faster than many other keyboards on the market. For competitive gamers, this could be a game changer. This keyboard isn't just about speed, though. It's also a well-rounded package. The GMMK 3He features a 75% layout, striking a good balance between functionality and desk space. It's compact enough to leave you with plenty of room for your mouse, but it still includes dedicated function keys and arrow keys. The keyboard also features a modular gasket system, hot swappable switches, and double-shot PBT keycaps. The gasket system provides a more cushioned typing experience, while the hot swappable design allows you to easily change out the switches to your preferred feel. The double-shot PBT keycaps are durable and resistant to shine, ensuring that your keyboard will look great for years to come. The inclusion of Hall effect switches is a major selling point. Unlike traditional mechanical switches, Hall effect switches use magnets to register keystrokes. This eliminates the need for physical contact, resulting in a smoother, more consistent, and more durable typing experience. The customizable actuation points allow you to fine-tune the sensitivity of each key, tailoring the keyboard to your specific preferences. Connectivity is handled via USB-C, a modern and convenient standard. The keyboard is compatible with PCs, Macs, and even some consoles, making it a versatile option for a variety of setups. While it's primarily aimed at gamers, the GMMK 3He is also well-suited for other tasks, such as video editing, programming, and general everyday use. The responsive keys and comfortable typing experience make it a pleasure to use for extended periods. The GMMK 3He is a strong contender in the high-performance keyboard market. Its Hall effect switches, rapid polling rate, and customizable features make it a compelling option for gamers and enthusiasts alike. The build quality is solid, the design is well thought out, and the overall typing experience is excellent. If you're looking for a keyboard that can keep up with your fast-paced gaming sessions or provide a comfortable and responsive typing experience for everyday use, the glorious GMMK 3He is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.